Welcome back. In the last class, in the previous class, we saw about the arrival of Zigzag and his refusal to say a single word, and about Visu, the old cook, who told the children to wait until the Zigzag settles down in that new house. We stopped up to this. Today, we are going to see the remaining part of the lesson. The children did not have to wait more than 10 minutes to listen Zigzag. Then Visu left the home. Zigzag perched on the curtain. Perched means to sit on the curtain rod, and he went off asleep. The moment he fell asleep, he began to snore. Snore means kurattai vidudal. Okay. And its snore was gurr wheeze. This was the sound made by Zigzag. First, it started like a soft grumble, and then it was like the sound that was made from the stomach of a mildly hungry dinosaur. I hope you understood. Then it grew louder and louder, and until then it sounded like a herd of elephants with cold, which was trumpeting angrily in the room. Here they are comparing the two animals, that is dinosaurs, mildly hungry dinosaurs, and herd of elephants with which was trumpeting angrily. Okay. The sound made by Zigzag was like that. Okay, like these animals. Okay. Zigzag's snore pounded their eardrums till their heads ached. The snore sound pounded their eardrums till their heads ached. Pounded means to hit something hard with a lot of noise. To hit something hard with a lot of noise. Okay. They tried to wake the bird. Mrs. Krishnan snorted that he was supposed to know 21 languages. Snorted means to make a sudden explosive sound through the nose. Okay, and she said it communicate only by his snoring sound. Okay, and she also added that he was supposed to know 21 languages, but it communicate only through his snoring sound. Okay. Maya said that and thought that birds could not snore, and it was a scientific fact. She was trying to squirt water from a small water pistol at Zigzag to wake him, but the curtains, the walls and the sofa were wetting. Okay, that is இந்த சின்ன பிள்ளைங்களாம் விளையாடுவாங்க இல்லையா, ஒரு தண்ணி துப்பாக்கி, அதில் தண்ணிலாம் அடைச்சி வச்சுட்டு மாயா என்ன பண்ணுறா, இந்த ஜிக்ஸாக் மேலே அடிக்கிறா. அப்பையும் ஜிக்ஸாக் எழுந்திருக்கவே இல்லை. ஓகே, பட் அவங்க வீட்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய கர்டைன்ஸ், தென் வால்ஸ் அண்ட் சோஃபா வேர் வெட்டிங், அதெல்லாமே நனைஞ்சு போயிடுது. ஓகே, தட் இஸ் ஸ்கொயர்ட் மீன்ஸ் transmit in highly compressed or speeded up form. That is பீச்சுறது. ஓகே, அப்படியே பீச் அடிக்கிறப்பாங்க இல்லையா, தண்ணியை வந்து அடிக்கிறது. ஓகே, தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் ஸ்கொயர்ட். Maya told that African witch doctors' birds did not obey the scientific rules. Arvind was annoyed and he imitated like ragging lion, that is Garjikum Singam. Then a hungry hyena, it is an African dog-like mammal. Okay, and a ferocious dog, கோபமாக இருக்கக்கூடிய dog, நாய். Okay, all went in failure to draw Zigzag out of his slumber. Slumber means deep sleep. And he tried his loudest coyote call. Coyote means one eye. He tried to imitate like coyote also. But Zigzag slept on undisturbed and snored on. But Zigzag was sleeping and he was annoying everyone. The snoring sound of Zigzag annoyed everyone. All went in failure to stop Zigzag snoring. They went to the bedroom and shut their doors. Mrs. Krishnan was just unraveling a roll of cotton wool to snuff in her ears when they heard the sound of the maid Lakshmi. Mrs. Krishnan was just unraveling a roll of cotton wool to stuff in her eyes when they heard the sound of the maid Lakshmi. Okay. They rushed to the studio to see Lakshmi, the maid. Okay. She was dancing and clapping her hands excitedly. Then she said that we had been truly blessed because the papayas and bananas were raining in that room. So that she said that we had been blessed. Okay. All of them were frozen in horror. Lakshmi had switched on the fan on which Zigzag had left some fruits and nuts. Half-baked fruits streamed off the fan. Goa dampened on the maid's cheek and one walnut hit her forehead. Okay. Yeah, the half-baked fruits, it streamed off the fan and Goa dampened on the maid's cheek. அவனோட கன்னத்தில் விழுந்துருது. Then walnut, it hit her forehead. Okay. One slice of overripe papaya came whizzing off the fan and splattered all over Mrs. Krishnan's unfinished masterpiece, that is painting. Okay. Sunset at Marina, on the topic of sunset at Marina, and the orange pulp and shiny black seeds were spreading all over it. Okay. Here they are saying that all the overripe papayas and the seeds, black seeds and all the orange pulps, they all damaged the masterpiece, that is painting of Mrs. Krishnan. Okay, Mrs. Krishnan groaned tragically and looked to shoot Zigzag, but he was saved by the telephone bell. They answered one call after the other as all the neighbors rang. Yes, all the neighborhoods, the people, those who are in the neighborhood, they came and they called. Okay, they called through the phone. That is, she answered, Mrs. Krishnan answered one call after another, and they all rang up to demand of the awful snoring sound, that is gurr wheeze. Okay, and asked if they could please have some peace. கொஞ்சம் அமைதியாக இருக்க முடியுமா நீங்கள் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அவங்க கேட்குறாங்க. ஓகே. Through all these commotions, Zigzag slept unconcerned and snored on continuously. Okay, through all these confusions, that is commotions means confusions or disturbances, Zigzag, it slept unconcerned without caring about anything. Okay, and snored on continuously. அதே மாதிரி கொரட்டை விட்டு நல்லா எழுந்திக்கவே முடியாமல் தூங்கிட்டுருக்கு. Okay, without any disturbance. Finally, Mrs. Krishnan rang up her husband and said that she was going crazy with the sound of Zigzag snoring and about the telephone calls and her painting, beautiful painting, which was damaged by Zigzag. Okay, she explained about everything to Dr. Krishnan. Okay. After saying everything, her voice cracked. She told about Mrs. Junjunwala, the art critic, heard the snoring sound of Zigzag and asked her where he could sing a little softly. She could sing a little softly when she took her singing lessons. ஓகே, அவங்க நீங்கள் பாட்டு கிளாஸ் எடுத்து கற்றுக்கிட்டு இருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் கொஞ்சம் அழகாக பாடக்கூடாதா, கொஞ்சம் சாஃப்ட் வாய்ஸில் பாடக்கூடாதா, ஏன் இப்படி கத்திகிட்ருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஜுன்ஜுன்வாலா த ஆர்ட் கிரிட்டிக் இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அவங்க கேட்குறாங்க. அண்ட் ஷீ ரிக்வெஸ்டட் டு கான்டாக்ட் சோமு அண்ட் ஆஸ்க் வாட் வி ஷுட் டூ. மிஸ்ஸஸ் கிருஷ்ணன் requested Dr. Krishnan to contact Somu and ask what they should do. Okay. Dr. Krishnan sent an email message to Somu asking him for clear instructions on how to stop zigzag from snoring. Okay, Dr. Krishnan, he sent an email message to Somu. Okay, I hope you all understood. He assured his family members that Somu would reply soon. அவங்களோட ஃபேமிலி மெம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாருக்கிட்டையுமே கண்டிப்பாக வந்து சோமு ரிப்ளை பண்ணுவார், கொஞ்சம் நம்ம வெயிட் பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அவங்க டாக்டர் கிருஷ்ணன் வந்து சொல்கிறார். ஓகே, he said we will discover some simple way to stop zigzag from snoring. Okay, yes, he said we will discover some simple way to stop zigzag from snoring. Okay. Yes, 6 days passed. They didn't get any email message from Somu. They have the 6 torturous days of having the loud grrr wheeze. That is the sound made by zigzag. Okay, until 6th day, till the 6th day, they were hearing the loud noise. Okay, the loud noise, that is snoring noise made by zigzag. Okay, Maya, the little girl, heard the rumbling sound that her ears ached all the time. Arvind confessed. Yes, confessed means admit, ஒப்புக்கொள்றது. சரி, நான் ஒத்துக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறேன், that is confessed. Okay, Arvind confessed that for the first time in his life he was actually looking forward to go to school compared to his house. Okay, he was looking forward to going to school. Okay, as it was calm there when compared to his house. Okay, Mrs. Krishnan had lost interest in painting. Zigzag waked up briefly when he wanted to eat fruits. Okay, he sat on the veranda and he stared at the real view of sunset at Marina. Yes, and he stared means to see. You see at the real view of sunset of Marina Beach and not the painting done by Mrs. Krishnan, which was ruined by the streaks of hardening papaya. Okay, is ruined means that is to that caused damage. Okay, that was damaged by. Okay, zigzag never spoke to anyone. Zigzag என்ன பண்ணல, யார்கிட்டயுமே பேசல. Though everyone tried several times in several languages to speak to him kindly. ஓகே, யார் என்ன போய் அவங்ககிட்ட நல்லா ஜாலியாக பேசினா கூட எதுக்குமே வந்து அதை ரிப்ளை பண்ணலை. அது என்ன தான் பண்ணுச்சு, he only slept and it snored. நல்லா தூங்குச்சு, கொரட்டை விட்டுட்டே தூங்குச்சு. ஓகே, on the 7th day, Dr. Somu's email arrived. It was, as Dr. Krishnan predicted ridiculously, that he had never heard zigzag snore. If you are finding it difficult, ask my cook Visu to keep zigzag. Okay, on the 7th day, Dr. Somu, he sent an email and he said that if you are finding it difficult, then ask my cook Visu to keep zigzag. Okay. Yes, Mrs. Krishnan told to find Visu to her husband. Mrs. Krishnan told Dr. Krishnan to find Visu as they won't keep zigzag there another minute. Mr. Krishnan told his wife to keep quiet, that he has to leave for his clinic. Okay. Mrs. Krishnan said no and told that she had invited some friends to come home to choose her paintings for the exhibition. Dr. Krishnan called zigzag nervously and went to find out Somu's cook Visu. ஓகே மிஸ்ஸஸ் கிருஷ்ணன் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, நான் நிறைய என்னோடய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் நான் வந்து இன்வைட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். என்னோடய பெயிண்டிங்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையுமே நான் உங்ககிட்ட காமிக்கணும். என்னோடய எக்ஸிபிஷனில் வைக்கக்கூடிய பெயிண்டிங்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையுமே நான் உங்ககிட்ட காமிக்கணும். ஸோ வந்து நீங்கள் ஜிக்ஸாக்கை கூட்டிகிட்டு போயிருங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. உடனே ஜிக்ஸாக் நர்வஸ்லி வந்து ரொம்ப இதோட நம்ம எப்படி நம்ம இந்த விசுவை வந்து எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னு நர்வஸாக வந்து போயிட்டுருக்காரு. ஓகே, ஐ ஹோப் யூ ஆல் அண்டர்ஸ்டுட். Mr. Krishnan suggested zigzag. Why didn't he wait in the car? When he reached his clinic, thought about the sound of his patients and the snoring sound of zigzag. Yes, Mr. Krishnan suggested zigzag. Why didn't he wait in his car? நீ ஏன் போய் காரில் வெயிட் பண்ணக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாரு. ஒன்னே வென் ஹீ ரீச் த கிளினிக் ஹீ தாட் அபவுட் ஹார்ட் சிங்கிங்லி, தட் இஸ் அப்படியே இதயம் வந்து அப்படியே இது பண்ணுற மாதிரி அவர் என்ன பண்ணுறாரு, நினச்சி பார்க்குறாரு. ஐயோ நம்மளோட பேஷண்ட்ஸோட சவுண்டும் இந்த ஸ்னோரிங் சவுண்ட் ஆஃப் ஜிக்ஸாக் இதோட சவுண்டுமே வந்து எப்படி இருக்க போதுன்னு தெரியலையே அப்படின்ற மாதிரி அவர் ரொம்ப ஃபீல் பண்ணுறாரு. ஓகே, zigzag was added. When he get inside the clinic, he sat on the nurse reception table. Okay, when it entered the clinic, it sat on the receptions, that is nurse எல்லாம் உட்காருவாங்களே reception table, it sat there. Perched means to sit. Okay, Dr. Krishnan warned Zigzag fiercely not to dare sleep as he went towards his room. Okay, yes, you should not sleep. Fiercely means bayangaramaga. Okay, he warned Zigzag not to dare sleep as he went towards his room. நான் ரூம் போனதுக்கப்புறம் தூங்கக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறார். Okay, when he walking through the swinging half door, he heard a strange voice saying, "You there in the blue t-shirt, don't jump on the sofa, and you in the red dress, don't swing on the curtain." It was Zigzag's voice. There was pin drop silence in the room for Zigzag's next sentence. When Zigzag was saying about these words, that is, he commanded the children in the clinic, there was a pin drop silence in the room. Okay, for Zigzag's next sentence. On seeing this, Dr. Krishnan was amazed. Zigzag's bore and grumpiness had gone. Yes, on seeing this, Dr. Krishnan was amazed and Zigzag's bored and grumpy expression had gone. Instead of those things, it went about the joy. It had been trained with the witch doctor and Somu, Dr. Krishnan's clinic, usually a noisy sea of tears and tantrums, were transformed into a calm place as Zigzag soothed the frightened patients, scolded the naughty ones, and made the crying ones smile. Okay, yes. Instead of those things, it went about the joy. Okay, that it went about the job. Job means work. Okay, as it had been trained with the witch doctor, and Somu is also a doctor, and here Dr. Krishnan was also a doctor. Okay, yes, here he was doing the work, that is the clinic was always usually the clinic was with a noisy sea of tears and tantrums. Okay, now the zigzag transformed everything into a calm place. Okay, and it frightened the patients and scolded the naughty children and made the crying ones smile. Okay, and made the crying ones smile. Okay. It entertained the children by his yam digging song and recited French poetry. Okay, it entertained the children by his yam digging song. Okay, and as well as it recited the French poetry. Okay, all best of all, Zigzag never slept or snored even for a second. எல்லாத்தோட பெஸ்ட்டு எல்லாத்தோட ஒரு நல்ல விஷயம் என்னது அப்படின்னா ஜிக்ஸாக் அங்கே என்ன பண்ணல, தூங்கவும் இல்லை, கொரட்டையும் விடலை. ஓகே, ஈவன் அ செகண்ட், ஈவன் ஃபார் அ செகண்ட் ஜிக்ஸாக் நெவர் ஸ்லெப்ட் ஆர் ஸ்னோர். ஓகே, அங்கே ஜிக்ஸாக் தூங்கவே இல்லை. ஓகே, ஒரு செகண்ட் கூட தூங்கலை அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. That morning passed so quietly and peacefully for Dr. Krishnan. When the last patient was left, he called Zigzag and the Zigzag flew in and sat on the table. Okay, Dr. Krishnan sighed and said, Somu was right and you are all absolute treasure. Mr. Krishnan asked, why didn't he tell him he had preferred to be at his clinic instead of snoring? He said, what did we do now? No one wants you back at home now. உடனே அவர் கேட்குறாரு, மிஸ்டர் கிருஷ்ணன், ஹி ஆஸ்க்டு, உனக்கு ஏன் வீட்டில் இருக்கிறது எனக்கு பிடிக்கல, நான் கிளினிக் வர்றது எனக்கு பிடிக்குதுன்றதை ஏன் சொல்லலை? சரியா, அதுக்கு பதிலாக நீ வந்து இதை சொல்லியிருக்கலாமே, கொரட்டை வர்றதுக்கு பதிலாக இதை சொல்லியிருக்கலாமே அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்குறாரு. சரி, போய் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறதுன்னு தெரியல, இப்போ நம்ம எப்படி வந்து வீட்டுக்கு போகிறது, நம்மளை உன்னை வந்து யாருமே வீட்டுக்கு கொண்டு வரக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அவர் யோசிச்சுட்ருக்கார். அப்படி யோசிச்சுட்ருக்கும்போது when he was saying this, the telephone rang. Okay, telephone rang. It was Mrs. Krishnan sounding very pleased. ரொம்ப ஹாப்பி, ரொம்ப இதாக பேசுகிறாங்க. You know, Mrs. Junjunwala is saying here, the Mrs. Krishnan was saying here, Mrs. Junjunwala is the art critic. யார் வந்து இந்த பெயிண்டிங்ஸ்க்கெலாம் வந்து ப்ரைஸஸ் அண்ட் தென் மார்க்லாம் கொடுப்பாங்களோ அவங்க தான் வந்து விமர்சிப்பவர்கள். சரியா, தட் இஸ் ஆர்ட் கிரிட்டிக். ஓகே, you know Mrs. Junjunwala, the art critic, she chuckled மீன்ஸ் அப்படியே அவங்கள பற்றி சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கும்போது பயங்கரமாக சிரிக்கிறார், ரொம்ப சந்தோஷத்தில் சிரிக்கிறார், கலகலவென்று சிரிப்பான்னு சொல்லுவாங்களா அதான். she did not want me to exhibit sunset at Marina. She had bought herself for rupees 5,000. Okay, she bought that painting for rupees 5,000. Okay, Dr. Krishnan asked, the painting which was ruined by zigzag, in which the papaya fell on. Mrs. Krishnan was laughing heartily and she laughed. The new technique of painting. Okay, Mrs. Krishnan said that Junjunwala liked, that is, she loved my new technique of painting and she chose to buy it for rupees 5,000. By the way, she said that she did not think that we were fair to zigzag. Okay, now, okay, after getting reward from the Junjunwala, Mrs. Krishnan said that she did not think that we were fair to zigzag. நம்ம zigzag கிட்ட அந்த அளவுக்கு நல்லபடியாக நடந்துக்கல அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறார். She asked Dr. Krishnan whether we keep him just on trial for another week. ஓகே, நான் இன்னும் ஒரு வாரம் நம்ம வச்சுக்கோமா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்குறாங்க. டாக்டர் கிருஷ்ணன் அக்ரீட் அண்ட் ஹீ கிளவர்லி ஆடட் தட் ஹீ குட் always take zigzag to the clinic every morning so that she can paint in peace at home. Okay, Dr. Krishnan, he agreed cleverly and said you could always, that is the he could always take zigzag to the clinic. சரியா, டாக்டர் கிருஷ்ணன் will take the zigzag to the clinic every morning so that Mrs. Krishnan can paint in peace at home. Okay, he confided. What is mean by confided? Confident means நம்பிக்கை. Okay, he confided to zigzag after matters were satisfactorily settled. He gave a toffee from his desk. Okay, அது ஒரு ஜிக்ஸாக் மேலே ஒரு நம்பிக்கை வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் he gave a toffee. Toffee means chocolate from his desk. Okay. He told that zigzag has its own way of showing his genius. Who said that? This Mr. Krishnan. Mr. Krishnan told that zigzag has his own way of showing his genius. Okay, he just ate the toffee, paper, wrapper, and then it lowered one crinkly eyelid in a knowing wink. Okay, that is கண்ணடிக்கிறது சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, அதான் சரியா. அதை டாஃபியை வந்து சாப்பிட்டு அந்த பேப்பர் ரேப்பர் எல்லாத்தையுமே சாப்பிடுது. தென் இட் லோயர்ட் ஒன் கிரிங்க்லி ஐலிட் இன் அ நோயிங் விங்க். தட் இஸ் நோயிங் விங்க் மீன்ஸ் கண்ணடிக்கிறது. ஓகே, ஹி ட்ராப்ட் ஹிஸ் ஐஸ். crinkly eyelid in the noisy wink. Okay, that is they were, the family members were very happy with the zigzag thereafter. Okay. Yes, this story is about the zigzag, about the pet zigzag. Okay, and that is that makes some commotions in the home. Okay, and at last they came to know the reality of that bird. Okay, they came to know the reality of that bird. Okay, that is the supplementary reader zigzag. Okay, in this we are finding out that there was a turn of events when they get to know the reality. Okay, thank you students.